clean and tight.
Yes. So first you can see in here, take a look. Yeah. So this is the raw material processing part, and it's mainly for the stainless steel board, 304 stainless steel board. And in here, as you can see, it's all the stainless steel pipes.
Yeah.
And the round ones, and the frames, and even this round stainless steel board to make the funnel, the main support of the machines.
Yeah, the quality
Take a look.
is very good, I think.
Yes. You are right, Edie. So only a good machine can be made from the good raw materials. So the raw material is the very first and very important matters to the final quality of the machines.
Yeah.
Okay, then here is what we do for the cutting, and we do for the tabs and the frames and the board and everything, as you can see.
Yeah, if I place an order, you will prepare my material for this?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, okay, great.
Yeah. So this is what we use for. Take a look. Take a detailed look. Yeah. So you can see the cut is very neat, and the whole pipe is made by the stainless steel. So it's very good and very in the unique together size to ensure our every machine is made by the joinings with our whole engineer team, inspection, and the production. So in here is all the ready to be cut stainless steel board. And you can see in here it's all by SUS 304. See?
What is the thickness?
This is about the 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters. So this is mainly for the body, for any parts that didn't have strong need for the force.
Okay.
Yeah. And here, please. So where I am standing, this machine is the very good laser cutting machine for the stainless steel board. As you can see, it's the laser head and the whole board to cut any size we want. That's why, because this machine is very good and it has a very precisely cutting range, so we can cut the meat with the very small parts, very small holes or details as we want.
Yeah, that's it.
And here is some more places to place the board. Stainless steel board, you can see. Yeah. And then all the raw materials will be processed in here, and after cutting, after bending, to be spread in here for the next process. So we can cut. So in here, all the stainless steel boards can be bent with the unique size of the requirements to be manufactured precisely by our machine tools. And all these parts, take a look. All these parts, you see, can be bent with the unique angle to fit in the machines. So we can make sure the machines have good structure and a good lifetime.
So dear friend, don't worry about the machine quality. If you are interested, please contact us and leave your message. I will send you the more details to you.
Oh, hello, Mr. David. Thank you for watching us. If you have any questions during our introduction and during the live show, you can contact us or leave your messages with your email right on the screen, and our service people will get back to you. Okay? Okay. Thank you. So, and in here is the welding workshop, welding places. So after the board is well manufactured in here, then all of the pieces, all of the parts will be welded together in here. And then the ready parts will be transported to this unit for the further welding, polishing, and the final process to make the final machines. And also you can see some of the semi-finished, unfinished machines. Yes, you can already see what it is, right?
Flavoring?
Yes, this is the flavoring drum.
I can use for potato chips.
Yeah.
Peanuts.
Yes.
Okay,
For
great.
the peanut, the frying peanut, or the coating peanut, all the potato chips, all the potato chips, all the sweet potato chips, even French fries, all easily can be by this machine.
I think it is a very big cat.
Yes. But it's also semi-finished, so it's not too long. And in here, the whole frame for the bubble washing machine, for a long, big capacity bubble washing machine. Yes. And this is for one of our customers for the fruits processing, about 1 ton. So its hole is 9 meters long. Yes, it's very much a big machine for the big production. Okay, so let's go to another unit. So after the raw material is assembled in here to the semi-finished parts and the products, so we will go to the next workroom in here to mount them to be the final machines.
Yeah.
Yes, and to be tested and packing to the wooden box for the final shaping.
Yeah. After I buy machine from you, when the machine is completed, can you help me to test the machine?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
All of
great.
our machines will be tested. And tried with your material, even to see if the machines can match your requirements, or to see the machine can work properly.
Yeah.
So don't worry of the qualities. All the machines will have a 1 year warranty time during the processing, and after you get the machines, you can see if anything wrong due to the quality reasons. Yeah, we will get back to you with our free technical support and free warranty time for the any of the problems.
Okay.
Yeah, so the whole machines in here will be mounted, final tested, yes, and connected with the electric components for the final testing.
Yeah.
So here is a food frying machine. You can see this back. Yeah. Yeah, my dear friends, you can see here in the back And so in here, after we manufacturing the whole whole structure, whole frame.
We will use this machine. We will use this machine. Where use this machine?
Yes, in the restaurant,
Yeah.
or yes, or the fried food plant,
Yeah.
factory maybe. Yes, it's one made by one of our customers. He is very generous and buy 10 of these machines from us. Yes.
Big order.
Yes, very big order.
Yeah.
So after the whole structure is finished, we will add the motors, the gearbox, and the whole other additional parts.
Yes.
Yes, for the machine to run properly.
Yeah.
Yeah, take a closer look of the manufacturing of the welding of everything. We are very confident to show you the good quality of the machines. And then after the machines will be mounted with the additional parts here together, and it will be ready for the testing. And then we will go to this part.
So dear friend, if you are interested about this machine, please leave your message. My colleague will send you more detail and picture for your reference.
Yes. And this machine, as you can see, it's very good to see. It's very big picture of in here, right?
Yeah.
So all the finished machines will be tested in here.
Yeah. So before shipping, you will send me picture and the text video.
Yes.
When everything is okay, you will arrange the shipping and the package.
Yes, of course.
Okay, great.
So yeah, after all the machines well finished, yeah, we will be tested here of each part.
Yeah.
Yes, and every parts of it, and send you the pictures and the videos of it to see if the machine working like we said.
Yeah. When I receive the machine, I don't know how to operate. What I can do.
No, the operating will no problem.
Yeah.
Yes, first we will send you the free English menus. Yes, menus and videos to show you how to operating the machines.
Okay, great.
Yes, and if you still have questions or problems, we can have a video chat, free video chat from your engineer with our engineer. Yes, to communicate to fully
Yeah.
trained to operate this machine at its full function.
Okay, if I have any question, I can call you anytime, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, great.
Yes, all our services, all our service peoples will be standby 24/7 for any of your questions. So if you have, or if you, the machine is just the part of our products.
Yeah.
Yes, our other product is our services.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
well, only the good machines with the good services will earn your trust and earn your business.
Okay, great.
So,
What is it?
so yeah, here is the places we keep our electronic parts, like motors, gearbox, and everything. You can take a closer look of the cables and the motors, the gearbox. See? Like I said, the raw material we are using is top brand in China to ensure the quality have a long usage, long lifetime.
Yeah.
Yes, and have a good performance during the production.
I can choose other brand of the motor.
Yes, of course. If you really have requirements,
Yeah.
that's for the brand of the motor, of the gearbox, of the electric components, and sure, no problem. We have cooperation terms with most of the famous brands like Siemens, Schneider, and other ABB or other electric brand. Yeah, we have good relationship, and we can change it to add your requirements.
Yeah.
So don't worry about it. So after you see the whole process, from the right beginning with the stainless steel board, and then I want to show you what we have, and it is the main character of today, the French fry production line.
Yes.
And this is the whole wall between the manufacturing part and our showroom.
Yeah.
Yes, all of our ready machines will be in here.
Many different products.
Yes. So here includes most of our final finished machines will be in here. Yeah, take a look around, and you can see most of the different kinds of machines.
So dear friend, if you are interested, please leave your message.
Okay, so my dearest friends, I have showed you of the processing unit, right?
Yeah.
And if you have a big factory which are looking for the mass production fruits and vegetable processing machines, then now is the best time to leave your emails, and our good service people will get back to you with more details and prices, even with the 5% discount. Yes, for the machines you are looking for. Also, if you are a business beginner, you are looking for some small machines, try to build your own business. That's fine, that's okay, because we also have many options of the machines with the different capacities, different usage to for your own business. We will help you, and we will going together to build all the whole process from the very right beginning. Yes, from your material like potatoes, sweet potatoes, or taro, other like leafy vegetables or oranges, and etc. Any raw material to the final French fries, chips, crisps, and other most popular snack in the world. So, and here today, we're going to introduce you one part of the products we have is the French fry
production line.
Yes, French fry production line. And here you can take a look. You can see is the whole production line of the French fries.
Yes, it is the automatic production line.
Yeah. And so, Edie,
Yeah.
do you know what is the French fry make from? The very raw material?
Potato?
Yes. So the French fry is made from the very raw potatoes from the dirt.
Yeah.
Yes, from the large field of the potato farms. So how to a potato transform to the final delicious French fries?
So today we will show you how to make a French fry.
Yes, so here today, right now, let's go following Edie to introduce us how to make the final delicious French fries from the raw potatoes.